This lesson will review certain verbs that have multiple irregularities. The verb fugir has two irregularities in the present tense. It undergoes a U to O stem change in the tu form and the third person singular and plural forms. And it undergoes a G to J spell change in the eu form. The verb retorquir in the present tense eu form and in all present subjunctive forms undergoes an O to U stem change and a Q to C spell change. The verb extorquir follows the same pattern as retorquir, but it may also undergo an O to U stem change in the present tense tu and third person singular and plural forms. The verbs emergir, convergir, and divergir in the present tense eu form and in all present subjunctive forms undergo an E to I stem change and a G to J spell change. The verb seguir in the present tense eu form and in all present subjunctive forms will undergo an E to I stem change, and it will remove the U in those forms. The verbs construir and destruir have irregular present tense endings in some forms. And in addition to those irregular endings, they have an optional U to O stem change in the tu and third person singular and plural present tense forms. There are several verbs with irregular preterite endings, preterite spell changes, and preterite stem changes. All of them are detailed in the irregular preterite verbs section, and we're not going to re-review them here. And that's it. A quick review of a few Portuguese verbs with multiple irregularities. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.